Our shared experience of fighting the pandemic has taught us we are stronger and better when we are together. Friends, for almost 2 years now, humanity is battling a once in a lifetime global pandemic. Our shared experience of fighting the pandemic has taught us we are stronger and better when we are together. We saw glimpses of this collective spirit when our COVID-19 warriors, doctors, nurses, medical staff gave their best in fighting the pandemic. We saw this spirit in our scientists and innovators who created new vaccines in record time. In addition to COVID, other challenges remain. Among the most persistent of the challenge is poverty. Poverty cannot be fought by making the poor more dependent on governments. Poverty can be fought when the poor start seeing governments as trusted partners. Trusted partners who will give them the enabling infrastructure to forever break the vicious circle of poverty. Friends, when power is used to empower the poor, they get the strength to fight poverty. And therefore, our efforts include banking the unbanked, providing social security coverage to millions, giving free and quality health care to 500 million Indians. It would make you happy that about 30 million houses have been built for the homeless in your cities and villages. A house is not only about shelter. A roof over the head gives people dignity. Friends, the threat of climate change is looming large before us. The world will have to accept that any change in the global environment first begins with the self. The simplest and most successful way to mitigate climate change is to lead lifestyles that are in harmony with nature. Today, India is the only G20 nation that is on track with its Paris commitments. India is also proud to have brought the world together under the banner of the International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Friends, we believe in the development of India for the development of the humankind.